Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Bitvae Professional LED Teeth Whitening Kit. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, try it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get this box open, you'll find your whitening gels and applicators right in here. And of course, read your instruction manual, please. This will be kind of your mouthpiece here, which we'll demonstrate. Looks like this will be kind of a potential applicator to kind of smooth stuff out. And of course, this will be kind of your power source here. Get this ripped open. You'll be connecting this in here. Just make sure you read your instructions. It'll kind of just fit. There's a little bit of edging here that you'll just have to kind of put that plastic into. And then once it's done that efficiently, which we're probably not going to get to right now. Yeah, we will. So it looks like it's mostly on there, so just double check that. Looks like you have the ability to kind of open and unlock for batteries, and be sure to remove battery. There we go. And then tighten, and so you'll just have your power button and your off button. Again, read your instruction manual on how to kind of apply this. We'll demonstrate it, but I always, leave out little things in these videos, so make sure you read entirely. The steps should be there for the most part, but just go ahead and make sure you follow the instruction manual. The first step is you're going to get it out of the box, and you're going to apply 1/4 of each one of these pens to the teeth. And you may want to kind of tilt your head a little bit, because otherwise it'll be difficult. And then you'll just take that little brush pen and kind of evenly, to the best of your ability, run it across your teeth as part of this process. And as the final part, you're just going to put this in your mouth and turn it on and leave it in your mouth for 10 minutes. So the process is simple. The results are great. So hopefully this review helped. Definitely worth buying. Thanks for watching.